There are some deleted transactions in asset accounting. Which are those transaction codes? I will show you in SAP S/4HANA and compare those transaction codes with SAP ECC. So on the right hand side, it is SAP ECC, and on the left hand side, it is SAP S/4HANA. So some of the transaction codes in periodic processing are obsolete or deleted. So the first one is ASKB, which is acquisition and production costs values posting. So this transaction code is obsolete. The posting is now performed directly to general ledger. The second one is AR29, post revaluation. This transaction code is used for the revaluation for the balance sheet. So you can see here in SAP S/4HANA that AR29 does no longer exist. The third one is AJRW, fiscal year change. So AJRW fiscal year change does not exist now in SAP S/4HANA. The next one is ABST2, account reconciliation. So we do not need this transaction code anymore in SAP S/4HANA because transaction FAGL GVT are used for GL close processes, which you can see in SAP S/4HANA. Also, no asset accounting tables anymore to reconcile with GL. Just table AC DOCA is enough. Remember, all non-statistical line items now in asset accounting are stored as universal journal entries. Reconciliation is not required with GL or within financial accounting and asset accounting itself. SAP GL accounting and new FI asset accounting are reconciled due to the universal journal in table AC DOCA.